Okay guys, I was just taking a ride on my scooter and look what I came across. A washing machine on the side of the road. It's a Whirlpool. Ooh, it's the one with the impeller. This is high efficiency. What's the model? There's the model number. If my camera would focus. There we go. WTW5000DW0. You can buy these brand new still, I think. Somebody let me know in the comments down below, guys, if you can buy these new still. I'm pretty sure you can. But I was fiddling around with it a little bit, and I think I know what's wrong with it. Look what happens when I do this. It's not supposed to do that. I think the splines on this this impeller, I think the splines are worn out. I'm pretty sure that's why they threw it away. This house right here. I'm pretty sure why this is why they threw it away. Because of this right here. I'm sure there's nothing wrong with it. Just replace the wash plate and you'll probably be good to go. There's probably nothing wrong with this thing. It's got the cord still there, everything's still here. So it's just a video on a washing machine that's on the side of the road. And I'm pretty dang sure I know what's wrong with it. Wash plate. Yep. That's exactly what's wrong with it. That's why they threw it away. I bet there's nothing wrong with it. So, that's pretty much it right here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Till next time, guys. Peace out.